pink sheep is the most rarest mob I just found. Just spawned on my minecart when I was about to ride. And he pushed me. Oh God! Oh, he's finishing his grass. I get to play him now. Or just build a bigger place.
Isang game lang.
Di wow. That jeep is going very fast. Oh! What? Oh.
Sinit mo?
He trapped me right here and I usually check and kill, but never mind. Because I like the most rarest mob to spawn and I don't know why he's almost. Oh, how? He said my fingers. And then you might realize there's axolotls here because they're so cute. I like them. There are so many things, but no blue or dark blue. You have the pink, you have every. That one right there is just blue. Oh shoot! We got this one. Lol. And I'm gonna show you more in the